Welcome, I'm Kaylee O'Donnell from the Technical Documentation team at mscrm-addons. And today I'm going to go over how to create batch documents from the DocumentsCorePack dialog. First, I will outline the benefits, and then I'll provide some sample use cases for batch document generation, and then I'll walk you through a short demo. So let's jump in. Okay, now batch document generation allows users to quickly and easily generate multiple documents from a single step. This, of course, eliminates the need for users to repeat the same time-consuming processes for each individual record. And overall, this saves time by increases productivity and also increases user adoption, as users often dislike redundant tasks. And this is useful for a variety of use cases, including sending welcome letters to new contacts, onboarding documents to new hires, promotions, etc. And the process is quite simple. It's actually very similar to generating single documents. It works the same way. You go to the Create Document button to open the DocumentsCorePack dialog and then navigate throughout the dialog. However, there is one key difference. Instead of selecting on a record and then the Create Document button, you must first select multiple records from an entity homepage, and this will signal to DocumentsCorePack that you would like to generate batch documents. So now that you understand a bit more about the purpose and the process of generating the batch documents, I will walk you through a short demo. So here we go. Okay, now for the goal of today's demo, we will want to send a holiday promotion to select account records. So what I'm going to do is, since we're dealing with the accounts, I will navigate to them on the sidebar. And then this is where the step for single and batch document generation differs. So instead of first accessing a record and then selecting the Create Document button, as stated before, I will first select multiple records from the entity homepage. So I'll move forward with selecting, let's say, 4 primary account contacts or account records that we would like to send this promotion to. We'll do these 4 for this example. I will then move forward with selecting this More button and then selecting the Create Document button. And this will open our DocumentsCorePack dialog. Now, you can use OCAs here, so you could move forward with that selection. However, I will choose to let me decide every step for this demo. And then, of course, I have our holiday promotion template ready for us. So I'll select that and then move on to our document options. And here there is one key option that I'd like to highlight for you. You can choose to create a single document, but I will not be doing that in this example. That simply means you want to concatenate your final documents and have all documents for each individual record concatenated into a single file, which can be useful if you would like to print at the end or for a variety of other use cases. But for this, we'll not move forward with that option. Instead, I will select attaching as a document. We'll attach this as email content, and then we'll want to send the emails as well. I'll go ahead and select a subject line for us. We'll do Holiday Promotion 2024. Perfect. And then from here, everything's looking right, so we can start the batch. And this can take a second. It can take a little longer since you are having the multiple documents, but we'll let that run, and then afterwards, we'll be able to preview the documents as normal. So we'll just wait a moment. Okay, now we can see that our documents have been generated, and we can preview them here. We'll go ahead and check one of our accounts. Select this one on the bottom. Okay, great. And here we can see that the information has been correctly pulled into this template. I see here we have the primary email address for the account, as well as the first name of the primary contact on the account, as expected. So this is looking good. I'm going to go ahead and select another to preview just to make sure everything is looking good for the different accounts. So now we'll check this one under Mifflin, make sure that's looking right as well. Perfect. And as you can see, I had the template set so that would have the address for the account and then the primary email address and first name of the primary contact for that account. And since this one does have the address associated, it is shown. And for the other one, it was not. And here we can see that the template has just been pushed down to the second page with the addition of the text from the address, but otherwise everything is looking good. Perfect. So now you can now download everything or close, and I'll go ahead and just close the dialog. All right, but that covers and concludes my brief demo on how to generate batch documents and the benefits behind them. I hope that answered everyone's questions, but if not, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel to avoid missing updates in the future. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.